Ayun, papasok na si Jonah, ang Kobe ng goes to the corner, bump, spins, hook shot, basket, and goes straight to the hoop, basket, grabe yun. Welcome to PSL 2024-2025. Hamite versus Canaleta. Binyan versus Jensan. First ball possession, Jensan. And it's number 9 for Team Jensan. He spins. Goes to the middle. Passes to Pacunya. Pass it back. And Pacunya launches on 3. Bang! The middle. Corner pass, will drive, falling away, my foul. Very good. And last team was on the free throw, short. Wala pa rin, di pa rin sila makupo. And on the free throw, boom! Yun, nakaupo din sila sa free throw. And bounce pass, agawan mula sa likod. And now all alone, Tolentino, easy two. At here, spins. Crossover. Fires at 3. My foul. And here's Team Binyan. Will drive. Sa gitna. Potter. Back for 2. Lastimosa. And stop. For 3. Won't go. And pushing for Team Binyan. Stops. Corner. Open look. Fires at 3. Nice. Spins, fakes, and floater, yes sir! And sets the play Tolentino for Team Jensan. Will drive the pull-up to Pinas sa loob, naagawan. And now in hurry, bounce pass inside, libre, yes sir, Lastimosa. Pass to Pido. Pido to the middle. Cardona will attack. Cross pass. Saul and Cardona. Pass, chase, yes sir, Cardona. And the pass. Inside pass. Cardona stall. And Cardona inside pass. Spins the hook shot, yes sir. To the wing side. Sa gitna, pull up jumper, long 2. In and out. Rebound by Ballesteros. And kicks out. Boo. Swal. Bounce pass. Sa gitna. Kicks out. Bounce pass sa gitna. Lace. Basket and 1. Here is Tan. For Team Jensan. Will drive. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. Tan. Sol now dribbling the ball. Crosses the middle lane. Crosses over, stops, and he pass to the middle. Ballesteros, pass to Cardona, will drive, will bump, hook shot, won't go. And now here's Team Jensan, drives, bump, fires, and inbounding now. High pass, Dionisio, yes sir, Dionisio, and Iswal will attack. Spins, kicks out, and the pass to Cardona. Cardona goes to the corner. Bump, spins, hook shot, basket, Cardona! And attack, Dionisio, reverse layup, in and out, rebound. And attack, Sual, open look, fires at 3. Bang! Sual! And corner, fires at 3. Bang! 3-point. And bounce pass, Ballesteros. Posting up against Hamito. Offensive foul. Done. Little spin. Goes to the middle. And attacks. Goes inside left-handed lace. Yes, sir. Slowly going down. Crosses over. will stop. Launches on 3. Bang! 3 points. Ending passes to number 6, Tan now. Tan goes to the screen. And Apeku. Pull-up jumper. Apeku. Position for Jensen. And Tan will post up. Will go to the screen. Will attack. Will fix. Inside pass. Hook shot. Apeku at the free throw area. In and out. Rebound. Move. Bucket by Hamito. Lopez zigzagging. Lopez goes to the wings. Goes to the middle. Pass to Pingris. Pingris pass to Lastimosa. Will drive. Will kicks out. Pull up jumper at 3. Ibang! Lopez. Here's Lopez. Lopez lumusot. Side step. The floor. Bullseye. Grabe. And lumusot. Lays up. Bucket for 2. Oop. And now, 9 seconds on the game clock. Will attack. Creating space sa gitna. Post up. Pinoy Sakuragi. Hook shot. No good. Oh! At the buzzer! And here's Tim Jensen. Acuna. Cross pass corner. Pull up jet 3. Bang! 3 point. And here's Tim Binyan. The bounce pass. Pingris. And the floater basket. Communication. Cruz will drive. Inside pass. Hamito libre easy to Hamito. Raimundo to the corner. Will pass to the middle. Cañaleta. And the bump. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. And the pass. Stops. Launches on 3. Bang! 3 points. And Pido. And the pass. Will attack. Will bump. The floater left-handed. Yes, sir. Setting the play. Sisinyas ng 1. Screen by Apico sa 3. Negate. And here's Lastimosa. Drives straight to the hoops. Yes, sir. Lastimosa to Cruz. The long pass. Lees off the window. Manny Tolentino. The pass. Cañaleta. And attack. Kicks out. Open look. Fire sa 3. Cañaleta. Won't go. Baseball pass. And easy lace. Bucket for 2. Cruz. Papasok na si Jonah. Ang Kobe ng yun. Ang Kobe ng Pilipinas. Pumasok na mga idol. And inbounding. And the pass. And attacks the floater. Dinyo for the inbound to the middle. Fires. No good. Rebound na Hamito. Shot. Wala. And Pido. Sa 3. Bang! Pido. Yun. Oops. Na-screenan. And atake, the floater, no good. Oh, rebound! Uy, naiwan yung bola picks. Fires. Bullseye! And the pass. Goes to the screen. Will attack. Lost the handle. Stolen by Apico. Pass break. At nauna na. Stolen. Cañaleta. Eto na. Kobe ng Pinas. The pass. Ang gandang pasa. Binalik. Pull up Jay. Wala. Sayang naman. Unang tira. And the floater. Oh! May record na agad. May foul. At least may record. At the free throw, last throw bucket. And goes to the middle. To the screen. Bounce pass. Open look. Fakes. One bounce and that's technical save. And here's Tim Villanes. Ako at pinasa. Sa tigna, pull-up jumper, won't go. And the pass. And stop. Sa gitna, open look, fire sa 3. Bang! 3-4 for the inbound. Lays, rejected. And it's stolen, inside pass. Far sa Mito, bucket for 2. And the pass. And Pido goes to the middle. Will drive. Is kicks out. And open look. Phoenix. He spins. Floater. Bulls. And here you go. Tim Jensen. 2 seconds. Inside pass. Hamito hook shot. That's the end. And here's Tim Jensen. Apeko for Tim Jensen. The pass. And pass to the middle. Posting up against Ballesteros. Corner sa 3. Negate. Rebound. Apeko. Post up. Apeko. Cross pass. Bounce pass sa gitna. Lays up. Won't go. Rebound Ballesteros. And Pido setting the play. Pido. Oops, dive for the ball sa gitna. One bounce. Bumalik. At libre. Nice pass. Bakit? And spins. Goes to the middle. Kicks out for 3. Bang! 3-4. Backdoor inbound. Cardona inbounding and this floater. Raimundo won't go. Rebound by Cardona sa gitna. The floater shot. Bucket for 2. And it's Tim Jensen. And Tan will drive. Picks sa gitna. Lays. Basket and 1. Lastimosa goes inside. Pinabitin. Bucket. Hang in the air. And Tan. He stops. Pass to Fernandez. Inside pass is stolen by Pingris. And Lastimosa. In Harry. Kicks out. Suwal. Bump. Fires off the window. Bucket. Suwal. And a ball possession for Jensen. Fernandez. Pass to Dionisio. Bounce pass. And Saul. And the pass. And Saul. Sual. And Sakuragi ng pinas against Fernandez. Post up. Is stolen. And goes straight to the hoops. Basket. Grabe yun. Pido. Pass to the middle. And it's Lastimosa posting up. Pingris against Fernandez. To the middle. Kicks out. Lastimosa. Lays. Yes sir. Lastimosa. Rebound. And the pass. Picks. Bounce pass. Kicks out. Is stolen by Suwal. Suwal. Bump. And he stops behind the back. Tan. Pass to Apreku. Bounce pass. Liza. Apreku. Basket. Apreku. And here's Pido. 2 minutes. And attack. Spins. Sakuragi ng pinas. And the floater. Nugget. Rebound by Hamito. And the pass break. And the crossover. Kicks out. Apreco open look Tan. Tan spins. Open. Bullseye. Grabe ka. Expect. And slowly dribbling the ball. Pass to Sakuragi. Kanyaleta launches on 3. Bang! 62. Leo. Attack. Alays for the tie. No good. Put back. My foul. Hamito. Left-handed. First on the free throw. Bucket. Hamito last on the free throw for the tie. Bucket. Tie game. Hamito. And here's Team Binyan now. Tie game tayo mga idol. 56 seconds. And here's Sakuragi ng Pinas. Pingris against Hamito. Kicks out. Open fast 3. Bang! Up by 3. And here's De La Cruz. Cruz. Pass to Hamito. Will attack. Will spin. Kicks out. Apreco picks. Pull up J. Na good. And 20 seconds on the game clock. And the pass. Kicks out. And Raimundo. Pass. And now inbounding. The pass. Kanyaleta kicks out. Oop. Oop, 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 oop. And inbounding to Kanyaleta. And now inbounding. And the Sakuragi. And the foul. Sakuragi at the free throw area. Bucket. Last and final free throw. Short. And rebound pa rin niya. Uy. Sakuragi at the free throw area again. Bucket. At yun. That's the end of the game. Congratulations, Binyan.